What is the difference between Talent Battle and other preparation platforms available on internet? There are many differences. I will name few in this short video. First and the most important difference, Talent Battle is the only platform to conduct live sessions from basics to advanced for aptitude, coding and interview preparation. Due to live session, you get the latest updated questions which are asked by the company. Some other platforms, if they are just providing you the self-paced sessions which have been recorded maybe last year or last to last year, you will not get the latest questions. Due to live sessions, you get latest questions. Also, it helps you to become more disciplined. Now, for all the live sessions, we provide you the recordings as well. So you don't need to worry about it. You can access them later. Second important difference, along with the aptitude and coding, interview preparation is also important. Only watching interview videos are not going to help you. Talent Battle provides you opportunity to take mock interview with experts, mock technical interview, mock personal interview, which helps you to reduce your interview fear. Third difference is the best quality teachers for aptitude and coding. You might be already knowing that through the YouTube videos. Suppose if you want to check our teaching quality, you can just send us message. We will provide you the demo videos of our teachers. Now one more from that, latest technologies like full stack development, data science, AI ML, IoT, robotics, then cloud computing using AWS, 25 plus projects, 25 plus company specific training, mock tests, multiple things are there. This is like a single subscription for your entire placement preparation. So for any question, just send us message. Our team will help you.